We're headed out to Geronimo Creek. It's a high fence hunting operation and shoot some birds. These folks have a great operation. They have quail and pheasant and chukar, and they're really set up for bird hunting and also whitetails and exotics. Beautiful place to hunt. There's 2,000 acres, and they also have some phenomenal fishing. I mean, really good black bass, crappie, and government bluegill. So it's some big bronze bags. And if you're ever looking for a place to do some bird hunting and fly fishing, these guys have got it. Great stuff here. You're going to be impressed.
If you drive down beautiful Highway 90 about 30 minutes out of San Antonio, you'll run smack dab in the middle of Hondo, Texas. And hunters flock to the area by the thousands during upland game bird and white-tailed deer season. Just don't drive too fast. Remember, this is God's country. Please don't drive through it like hell.
Going up, Terry. Good shot, Terry. Good shot. Good shot. We got another point. Watch it down.
Sure is pretty out here.
I'm straight behind you, Terry. He says it's there. Good shot, guys. Oh, the feather pillow. You know, you two need to shoot more often like that. And just, 3 more birds like that, and I'll have enough for a feather pillow in my bed.
And are we going to eat my hamburgers?
Hey. But, well, good. The birds that you've got are good, healthy birds. They get up and fly good, and especially your chukars. I'm impressed with how your chukars come up out.
Point straight ahead, guys.
Here comes the test. Bird going up and away. No, we got a. Yeah, we got a double point. All right, watch it, Rusty. There's one right here. There's one There's one walking right here at my feet. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. That would throw me for a loop. That's 3 misses.
This was my first opportunity to work behind dogs. On this particular day, we had both pointers and flushers.
You can tell a guy that really has a love for what he's doing, especially his dogs. But today, I never seen Glenn yell at his dogs one time, but you can just tell that he has a love for those animals and that he really has a passion for what he's doing in bird hunting. And that's what amazes me. is a guy that has that composure and has that ability to train a dog without yelling at him, without firing him up with a shot collar, and without blowing a whistle all day long. You know, that's pretty neat. It really is.
Oklahoma double?
No, I didn't shoot. I was just watching to see if they killed it, and then I was going to shoot then. I didn't say I was going to, hey, wait a minute. I didn't say I was going to kill the bird. I said I was going to shoot then. There's no need to be waste a shell if y'all kill the bird. Yep, another bird up and another bird on the ground. That's a good way to start on this field here. Come on up here, Marcus. I need you to pick up this next bird for me. Oh! Oh! That is an Oklahoma double. That is all right. Marcus, put it right there, brother. That's what I'm talking about. An Oklahoma double on that rooster.
Making a pillow, right?
Yeah, we're still trying to fill that pillow. Got some good spurs on him too. Yeah, that was a nice bird. And great on the table.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh, great on the table.
Let's get some more.
Oh! What is the most people want to shoot when they come here? Pheasants or quail? Quail. That's your biggest demand.
Mm-hmm. This is busy work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But that rooster thrown in there every once in a while. That's the
heartthrob.
Yeah, that's the exciting.
Well, it takes you just a second to get past how pretty the bird is coming up.
It is.
And mixed in with everything else that you're getting to see.
Right, it is. It is awesome, though. Isn't it? Good shot, Marcus. Got him. That was a tough shot. I had to wait till you get down, and then for me to get on the bird. I shot behind you the first time, but I got him on that second shot. I've had the opportunity to hunt a lot of places for quail and chukar and pheasant. This is about as good as it gets. It's great walking. You got the brush, you got... Whoop, whoop. Tough shot there. Ooh, good shot of... We had a little interruption there. But anyway, this is great hunting. Is that the truth, Terry? It's great interruption. I like that kind. Good shot. Good shot.